Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to set tabs every 5 space in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document and take some paragraphs. Now we want to set tabs every 5 space. Go to the paragraph settings option. Then go to the tabs option and set the default tab stop 0.4. Then click OK. Then press tab on our keyboard and we can see we set the tab every 5 space very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.